Jai Hind students, today I am going to explain you chapter 5 of advanced feature of Microsoft Word 2010. In this module you will learn how to applying border and settings. To improve the appearance and legibility of the text, we can add a variety of border and setting effect to the paragraphs and the entire page. For that, select the text, click on the drop down arrow next to the bottom border button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Now select the border and setting option from the displayed list. Then border and setting dialog box will appear as shown in a figure. Now set the border style. Choose the box option under the setting section. Select the line style under the style list box. Click on the drop down list of the color options. Select any color. Okay. Now choose the line width from the width section. Click on the drop down list to apply the section and select the paragraph option. Now click on the OK and observe the change. Okay children, now let's know more. You can also use the picture symbols or the font as a bullet by changing the drop down. Select the define new bullet option. To apply picture as bullet, select the picture tab from the defining new bullet dialog box and pick any picture from the file. Now inserting cover page. How do you insert the cover page in your document? MS Word provide a gallery of pre-designed cover pages. Follow the given step to add cover page to your document. For that, go to the Insert tab in the page group and select Cover Page. A built-in gallery will appear. Now click on Desired Cover Page Layout. The selected cover page will be applied to the document. Now click on the sample text, such as type the document title and type the desired text to replace it. Okay children, this is a page, cover page. Now recap the chapter. When you are working with the large document, Word provide the facility to search your document for a specific word, phrases using the find feature and changes word or phrases using the replace option. Okay, the shape is a drawing feature that helps you to draw the various shapes like stars, banners, catalogs, connectors, etc. To maintain the height and width ratio of the shape, hold down the shift key while you drag the shape. The word art feature allow you to create a special text effect. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter the text. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in the document. Watermark can be defined as a dimmed or faded impression of an image or text with this placed behind the text in a document. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children.